Hi people, today I am gonna show you how to use emojis in subject lines effectively in Hubspot. Once you're logged into your account, look at the left side of your browser screen and click on the profile icon. From the list of available contacts, go ahead and choose the one you want to open. After that, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice an email icon. This is where all email options for that contact are located. Go ahead and click on it to continue. This will open up the email settings for the selected contact. Once the email details appear, we can press Windows plus semicolon to open the emoji picker. This lets us easily add emojis to the email's subject line and make it more fun or eye-catching. And that's it. This way, you can now use emojis in your Hubspot email subject lines to make them more engaging. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more tips like this.